Hi everyone, this is easymoneys.com, that's EASY-MONEYS.com. And today is October 16th, 2018. We just have 2 more weeks in October, and then we hit November, which includes Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and then we have American Thanksgiving, and then we head into December with Christmas and New Year's. I know a lot of people don't like to promote for special spiritual holidays. Totally acceptable, understandable, but you can always donate to a charity. In any case, what you're seeing here in the background is just Screencast-O-Matic. I've tried it out before. I've had a few issues, but in any case, I'm giving it a whirl. You get 15 minutes free recording. I'm at 1:08, so I'll try to keep it short. I have a tip that I just wanted to go through here. So let's see if I can just get that. I'm not sure how I can flip off of, oh, there we go, yes. So now I'm in the beta studio of my YouTube channel, and it's really just something I started for my team, my easymoneys.com, Earn Money Online Easily teams, just to communicate. You know, I find that when I'm texting all the time, and I have over 700 people so far over the past 2 years, 9 months, it gets a little difficult, but I enjoy it. I love it. There is a reason why I don't really like to put my face out on the net, so I'm avoiding that as much as I can for a certain length of time. I will explain it all. It will become clear. But I'm not running from the law. I have a wonderful life. Everything's good. It's all good. So what I just wanted to show you today, what I wanted to point out was this video I just made for my teams. How to make money easily online. Join the easymoneys.com Make Money Online MMO team today. Now you notice that title is very repetitious. Lots of repeated keywords, but the MMO, or Make Money Online niche, is still the most popular niche for earning money online. A lot of people have this opinion that you should stay away from it and do some other remote niches. That's fine. If you want to do that, that's fine. I like to make lots of money online. That's my passion. And then my second passion, secondarily, is to pass it on to others so that they can do it too. Because it just makes my day. When someone who's been struggling starts earning, it's just so exciting. Now I just wanted to show you something. All of these other testimonial ones that I've done for Finish Line Network recently, and then I've got a whole bunch of other videos. Well, let's start. My very first video on YouTube, and here's my tip, really, is that you've got to start your YouTube channel, because as you notice, usually in Google searches, they'll have 3 videos at the top of any search or on page 1. That's where you want to be. People love video. They don't really have the time or the wherewithal to want to read through 10,000 words of anything. Maybe there are some people who do, but I sort of vary on the issue of where people are at. And I believe the 2 trends very much for 2019 are Instagram, television, and YouTube still. I really do. So, just creating a training channel is the way to go. Now, let's still scroll down here. I think there's still some more videos. Where are they? Oh, I see, 1 to 30 to 50. Not quite sure how to get next page. Okay. So this will just take a second. I'm sorry, this is in the Beta Studio Classic, so I've never used this version. Now, once again, when you start your YouTube channel, you really do want beautiful thumbnails. I mean, things like this do show up, and you do kind of want branding in a sense. When you have a branding colors, people see that, they know exactly what it is. Like, this is Wealthy Affiliate. Anybody knowing that? These ones here are Global Moneyline. That's my traffic site. There's other websites that I promote as well. What I do is I build them into systems, and I like the goal of having 9 streams of income so that you have multiple streams of income coming in. If something like a Google algorithm changes or Amazon shuts you out because you haven't made any sales in 6 months and then all your links are dead and you don't know it, all those sorts of things. I want my business to be on my own. So my business has been building my list of buying customers who know, like, trust me, who I train. I do daily emails as best I can when there are things that I want to share. And then the second part of my business is building up teams for me to share with them exactly what I have learned to do. And I do all of that for free. But the disclaimer is, when they join me and when they're ready and when they're trained, they eventually start earning, and then they level up with their own reinvested earnings. I recommend they reinvest 60% into every leveling up, and then make sure that within the very first year, their internet costs, their wealth affiliate costs, and anything else they're paying for is covered. If you can't do that in 1 year online, I get a little concerned. But in any case, so my very first video was here, and it was November 15th of 2017. And I have Parkinson's disease and a terrible tremor and a very weak voice and weak diaphragm muscles. And I say this not to have you feel sorry for me, but just to apologize for the quality of my voice. It really is quite annoying, and it bothers me terribly that I can't speak. 7 minutes, so we got 8 minutes to go. So what I really wanted to show you today, this one and this one are really good to look at. And I love having a $526 day, boom. Just love those. Those are fun. And that's when people like me go all in. I'm an all-in type person. Now, the reason I wanted to, I guess I have to, with this new system, go back to the first page, which is the most from recent, and this how to make money easy online. Now, what I want to show you is, see these? I've now put them private. This video is only visible to you and the viewers that you select, so I can send them to you specifically. This video will not appear on your channel or search results and will be invisible to other viewers. Now, a lot of these, actually, when you start on a network or offer early, so the early birds get the worm. I had 2,266 views. It was phenomenal. This was the biggest launch online by far I've ever seen in my experience. And then I got 3,427 views. Like, this was just, it was going nuts. It was like wildfire. It was a lot of fun. And the fellows who've done this, they're just brilliant. But what I wanted to show you here was a tip that I learned from one of those team members at Finish Line Network. And I can tell you his name at some point, but I don't want to do that without his permission. So what he's recommended is, when let's say you've created a video like this one, so we can just look at it. I just took my iPad in this case. My cell phone didn't have any battery power, and I'm in a place that doesn't have very good Wi-Fi. I'm in the Rocky Mountains, poor me. In any case, I had to log on and go hardwire to just even download this 13-minute video, and my time is 9 minutes, so I'm getting there. And what he recommended to do is, rather than go ahead and publish it immediately, keep it unlisted. And so at some point you'll see, I'll show you this part in another video, but keep it unlisted. Then what I want you to do is to consider going to mysocialnow.com, and it's a place that can really help you develop your views, your likes, and all that sort of stuff. So that's all I'm going to say for now. There's certain things that I believe in paying money for. Things like traffic are not one of them. I get all my traffic from helping people. I know traffic vendors. There's two in particular that I totally trust your money to. So if you need my advice, I'll give it. On the other hand, I'm happy to get you traffic myself. I share my traffic. I have a traffic website that has over 320,000 people globally. So a lot of times with my newbies, I'll give them 5,000 traffic ads per day free from me. Just take mine. I don't care. I got enough people. And that works quite well. So it gets them to trust that the site works once you have enough volume. And I'm always at the highest level on every site when I know it works. But I start out free, period. We're now at 10 minutes, 30 seconds. So I don't know if I can play a second of this. Let's just see. I don't know what happens. No, I don't think. Well, can you play a video within a video? I doubt it. Let's see what happens here. No, I have to go outside that. Let's see what happens. Can I click on that play? View on YouTube. Oh, isn't that interesting? And there she blows. Now, what I do like to do is put on closed captioning. That never works out. That spelling is terrible. Now below, you'll always see links, and you can get the share codes here. And I'll just show you that now. Just going to show you the share codes. There's two ways to share your YouTube video. You can just use a general link like this, but for embedded videos on your website, which let's just do this right now. I always like to make sure that I don't have any suggested videos. You can do that, but I don't like to. I do like to give the player some controls for volume, etc., and show the video title and player actions. And then you just go ahead and highlight and copy and paste or command, whatever computer you're using at the moment, and Bob's your uncle. So let me just go ahead and close that out and get rid of that mug of a face. That's why you want to make some thumbnails. Yeah, not, I've got a face for radio, that is for sure. In any case, I want to wish all of you a very happy Tuesday. Just go out there, make yourself some money. It is easy once you have the tips. I'm here to help you. You know how to get a hold of me. All the links are here. Go for it. So I have to figure out now how to stop this video. So please, if you liked it, click on like. If you disliked it, click on disliked. If you want to share it, please share it. If you want to save it, go ahead. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I would so love that. In order to monetize, which I will definitely be doing, and I recommend you do it, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of viewing, not minutes. So I got a long ways to go. They just did that in February. Gosh, but in any case, I wish you all the best, and please be in touch if you need me, and start your channel. Okay, guys, bye for now.